Happy birthday to my beautiful mother. Love you.
To my big sister. Happy 77th birthday, Mom. Rest in peace, rest in love. I love you and I miss you so much.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's coming out.
Happy birthday, Mom. It's your one of the twins, your boy Ivan, Saeed. There's no day that I haven't thought about you. Been thinking about you for a couple of days, matter of fact, for a whole week. Still grieving a little bit. I want to wish you a happy birthday. Let's let you know I love you, wherever you are in heaven, and I'll always be thinking about you. Love you, Mom.
Fun, so we are waiting for the celebration. This is your day, so your day has begun. So blow out the candle on the cake and make a wish. We'll serve.
Happy birthday, Mom. I miss you. I love you. Until we meet again.
I like that, baby. Give her a hug. Who's singing?
That was so nice.
Happy birthday, Mom. I miss you so much. God rest your soul. I just want to say that you've always been an amazing mother, amazing person, very, very strong. And I know that's where I get my strength from. And all your girls, all your kids, that's where we get our strength from. Nobody else, you. You've always been a person that if you need to be done, or you needed something, you got it done yourself. You ain't rely on nobody. I miss how you used to look when you get upset, spoiled, putting your lip out. I miss your eyes. I miss the stars in your face, your freckles. Like, you know, I call them stars. Everything about you I miss. I miss talking to you. I miss calling you. You get ready to have your coffee in the morning. It's kind of hard, but we're getting there, Mom. Everybody's doing really well trying to get there. We all love and miss you, Mom. Happy birthday again.
I got a Glock in my Ferrari. 17 shots. No 38.
Happy birthday, Mom.
I think as time goes on, it gets a lot easier to accept the fact that you're gone. But I do appreciate the time that I had with you while you were here. I really do. I really appreciate it. And I'm holding on to all the moments we've had with one another. And I miss you so much. The fact that you passed away on your birthday was hard for us all, but I think that day is definitely special for us. I mean, I can't speak for everybody else, but it's special for me. Happy birthday, Grandma. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mom. We wanted to come together and celebrate you this year. I will always celebrate you every single year as long as my body is able. My very last breath on this earth until we meet again. Our spirits will always be connected, whether it's in this realm or the next realm. We will follow each other no matter where we go. And I just want to say I love you. I miss you every day. It's not one day that go by that I don't think about you. And although I still wish you were here, but we're doing fine.
Yaya's here.
Happy birthday, Grandma. There's not a day that goes by where I don't think about you. I miss you and I love you so, so much. Happy birthday, Grandma. I love you and I miss you so very much. There's never a day that goes by where I'm not thinking about you. I just love you and I just miss you so much. Wish I can hug you, kiss you, all that. Happy birthday.
Grandma likes to crack up.
Happy birthday, Gigi. We love you, we miss you, and we will always have you in our hearts and our minds every single day. Bye. Love you.
It's a video.
Where?
It's recording.
Oh.
It's a video.
Okay.
Happy birthday, Sandra. Love you and miss you.
Happy birthday, Sandra. We love you and we miss you so very much.
Hey, Grandma. Happy birthday. I love you so much and I miss you.
Happy heavenly birthday, Mom. I miss you. I love you. And I just wanted to say that I am so proud to call myself your daughter. I love you.
Why you call me?
I called to see what you were doing.
Where Kanan? Kanan.
Walking up the stairs, Mom.
Kanan. I want Kanan.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I miss you so much. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I love you. I miss you. Think about you almost every day. It's been almost a year since you left us. Continue to watch over the family and me. I love you.
Happy birthday, Gigi.
Happy birthday, Grandma. We love and we miss you. And thank you for being there for me always, because I still feel you and I hear your voice when you be cussing me out because I do stupid stuff.
Happy birthday, Grandma. I miss you. I love you even more. Thank you for being my best friend and just still being here with me and guiding me. I'm trying to hurry up, girl. I just love you so much and I'm so appreciative to you. When I think about you, I smile, I cry, and I cry because I just miss you so much and I just miss squeezing your cheeks. Buddy loves you, Buddy misses you, and I just can't say it enough. I don't even know what to say right now. It's still wild that this is even like a thing, but I trust the Lord and I know that you're good. Thank you for everything that you've taught me. I implement it into my daily life. There's literally not a day that I don't think about you or that we don't think about you. And even though you're not physically here with me for me to tell you things that I don't tell other people, I can still talk to you. And I know that you're listening. And I know I'm strong because of you. And you've always told me that like I was strong. And my faith has grown even more since you've gone to heaven. And I think that says a lot. But I love you and I appreciate you and I just miss you so much. Until we meet again, I hope you have the best birthday ever. I love you.